Tammie Coon. I wanted to wish you congratulations and success in becoming the next president of Oregon HFMA. I know you will keep it running like a fine-tuned machine. Congratulations.
Okay. Hi, Tammie Coon. What an exciting time for Oregon HFMA. And as I think back on your journey, I also remember that you're one of the very first friendly faces that I ever remember having seen with Oregon HFMA. From the time I started, you've always been there. You're often the very first to arrive at any one of our events and the very last to leave, just to make sure that all the details are attended to. And never ever could I have imagined those first few years when we met that I could fast forward and imagine us together here on our own leadership journey together. But if I ever could have picked anybody, I would have picked you. I think you're incredible. You've always been welcoming, you've always been willing to help, you're passionate about the chapter and making sure that we're successful. You have taken on so many different leadership roles with the chapter and even with the region. And all of these years, you've helped out just to help lift the burden off of others and gain your own leadership experience, and it's helped prepare you for your year ahead. I know you, Tammie, you don't do anything without giving it 100%. You're constantly looking for ways to be innovative, to think of fun, fresh, new ideas for our leadership and our members, and I know that you're going to be an outstanding president. It's been an absolute blast sharing this year together. I've had so much fun with you, and I have so many memories that I will never forget. Thank you for being so positive, so supportive. I'm never going to forget this time, and I'm so lucky that I can call you a colleague and a friend. So I know that I'm leaving the chapter in your excellent and capable hands. I think Oregon is so lucky to have you as the president for next year. And I think you're equally as lucky to have such an incredible and an amazing leadership team. I know you're going to continue to have such a good time and be so supportive and so successful. So I can't wait to see what you do with your year, and best of luck.
Tammie, congratulations as you take the reins of leadership for Oregon HFMA. You're the second leader from Professional Credit and InSource to serve Oregon's healthcare providers. We're exceedingly proud of you and your ability to innovate, create, and build teams that are effective. Oregon HFMA will benefit greatly from your leadership. I wish times were different and that I and others of our team could be at your actual installation. These are difficult times, and ones that are most likely to get tougher before they get easier, but I am convinced you're the right leader for such a time as this. Congratulations.
Hi, Tammie. Congratulations on your installation as Oregon HFMA President. You've got a very fun year ahead, a challenging year, but you're going to do amazing, just like you do everything. So good luck.
Hey there, Tammie. I just wanted to say congratulations on your upcoming presidency year. I know you're going to be absolutely amazing. Your dedication to the chapter, your dedication to healthcare, your dedication to making everyone being included and engaged is just incredible. And so we are so lucky in Oregon to have you as our incoming president. I wish you all the best and congratulations. Have a great day.
Hi, Tammie. Wanted to take a few moments to congratulate you and extend my best wishes for your presidency for the Oregon chapter of HFMA. I know you'll do a fantastic job. No one will work more tirelessly, with more attention to detail and more commitment than you. I know this, having worked with you for several years and having seen that time and time again. I think you're going to bring a great perspective and certainly a high level of commitment to work on issues that I don't know that any of us have ever faced before in this current pandemic climate, and I know you're the right one to lead the way. I hope that the folks at HFMA understand that they are getting two presidents in one. They are getting Tammie Coon, a consummate professional, and then they also get her alter ego, Tamantha, the one that can, no matter how difficult the issue is, she will get things done. Again, all kidding aside, congratulations, and I look forward to seeing your leadership on display for the entire U.S. People will take notice. People will take notice. Congratulations.
Hi, Tammie. It's Tony Andrade. I just want to say congratulations on becoming our new chapter president. It's going to be a great year, and I truly want to say thank you for all the hard work and dedication you've put towards our chapter for so many years. It's going to be a great year, and I can't wait for us to all get together and celebrate. Congratulations.
As someone who worked with Tammie Coon for many years, someone who shared countless flight delays and at times what felt like never-ending work days, I can confidently say that the Oregon chapter of HFMA is in very good hands with Tammie. She is one to work tirelessly to make sure that everything gets done and that everything gets done right. Every detail is planned, vetted, and organized, and if I didn't know any better, she probably helped time this whole COVID-19 stuff so that she can have a non-traditional installation as president. That's just how she rolls. Tammie, I'm so excited for your leadership, and I can't wait to see all the great things you're going to do to make this already awesome chapter an even more awesome one. Congrats, and I think, as always, I gotta end with, go get him, Tiger.
Hi Tammie, it's Jeff. Hey, I am so sad that we're not able to be together to celebrate this wonderful moment with you. I am so excited for the chapter to have you as the president. I know that you are remarkable. I know that you're going to do amazing things, and I know nothing stops you either, which is a great thing. I also am honored to call you my friend, and just know that I am behind you 100% and know that you're going to rock this.
Tammie Coon here. Just wanting to say hi, Mom, and congratulations on your presidency for Oregon Chapter of HFMA. As the official mascot of Oregon HFMA during Mom's term, I want everybody to know how hard she works, how committed she is, but she better not forget about me, Puddles Marie Coon, official mascot of Oregon HFMA.
Tammie, congratulations. I very much look forward to your term as president of Oregon HFMA. It's been an honor working with you for the last few years, longer than that. Strange times, I've got a mustache, and it's just strange times, but if there's anybody to lead us through a global pandemic, it's you. I look forward to your presidency, and I can't wait to see everybody again. Take care and be safe.
Hey Tammie, gonna wish you a wonderful year of success for the Oregon HFMA chapter. Nobody would ever dream of 2020 being the year that we're going into, but nobody could handle it better than you, and nobody would ensure that our chapter stays together and works on education the way we will in this coming year. You're going to do a phenomenal job. Thanks for all you do.
Hey Mom, I just wanted to wish you a bunch of success at being the next president of Oregon HFMA. I know you're going to rock it. Love you.